Hey, it's Quentin here with Zabukovic Motors, or RV, whatever you want to call it. Today, we're here looking at a Jayco Talon, one of the biggest trailers they manufacture. Just get the bad news out of the way. Unfortunately, we had to let Ryan go, so I'll be doing all the trailer review from now on. So, we're just going to take a look on the outside. You can see the exterior. This is a toy hauler, just if you want to take note. So, as soon as you walk in, full-size kitchen. You have nice countertop here, double sink. You've got some cabinetry, TV, and a fridge with adjustable temperature. Some more cabinetry and just some more places to put some things. All the pop outs are out right now. We don't have the table installed yet, but there is a table that goes here. More cabinetry over here. Also an outlet here. And like I said, this is a toy hauler. You can easily, if you're not using the toy hauler, you can put furniture in here. So, and beds. Also, we have the bathroom. So this is a 2-bath. There's a sink and a toilet in there. Another door, a window, and there you go, there's the seating. You can also put, like I said, this is where you could put an ATV or whatever you need to put. So, this comes with some of the nicer floors that Jayco has. Here's a bathroom. This is one of the bigger bathrooms. This one actually has a shower, so this is the second bathroom that we've seen in this trailer. This door slides like this. Very easy to move, and it locks in place when you're moving. We also have a countertop, a sink, some cabinetry, toilet. This does not connect to the bedroom, the bathroom, but you can just easily walk over here. Pretty spacious room. You've got a bed here, bedspread, some carpet, and you have a place where you can put TV right here. That does not come with the trailer. So, thermostat, fire extinguisher, and some of your controls will be right here. So, thank you for watching. Come see us down on East Spalding Avenue in Pueblo West. Like I said, Ryan's not here with us anymore, so it'll just be me from now on. Thank you.